Greetings over the diaspora to those that don't speak the languages that we speak down here in the south. Happy new season, happy new year. We just come back from celebrating and ushering the sun right here in the southern hemisphere. Welcome back again, woke gang, anti-woke, queer and conscious, black queer and conscious, the knowledge seekers, knowledge collectors, knowledge debunkers, knowledge debaters, witch talk witches of Instagram network, as well as in your different fraternities and perspectives and how you'd want to be addressed from a queen. Welcome back again, everybody. Stoners United, Working Bay Gang, Chakra Hands. Who did I leave out? I hope I did not leave anybody else out. Welcome to another episode. Please do like, please do subscribe, please do comment. For those who haven't done so yet and those who want to see when a new episode is dropping, please light on your notification bell and enable your notifications on your app, on your phone. But welcome back again. Happy New Year. So we're just going to go quickly into the intro, the season of Assad. Then I'm going to give a review of the new year, but I'm going to do that in a different episode. Hope everybody is great. Welcome, new season like I promised in, I don't know which episode I did, but yes, let us quickly go into the season of Assad. So this Assad season was ushered in by the spring equinox. So spring equinox usually happens around the 21st of September right here in the southern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, you guys will be experiencing the autumn equinox, right? So remember we said equinox is equi from equal and the nox night. So the daytime and nighttime are of equal amount, right? So the southern and the northern hemisphere get the exact same amount of sunlight and night light. Yes. But yes, let's just go quickly into what Ausar is. But this is an intro episode. I'm gonna expand more on a different episode. I just wanted us to just align season in and get the stuff that you need for the season. This is a beautiful season of new beginnings, of prosperity, of abundance. So the color the season, and why I say this as well. So the color of the season is green. So remember, Assad is called the green god. So the period our new season, the season of Assad, our first month on the African calendar, our first month where we're now beginning the year. In 23, it's September, but you feel the energy change because the sun is starting its journey now, jumping the equator from the 21st September. So from the 23rd, but for consistency, remember we said we're going to do 23. So it's from the 23rd of September up until the 23rd of October, where we are closing and then beginning a new season. Remember, time ya rona iqala ka sunrise. So that is why we say the day ends, the season starts and then a new season starts on the exact same day. I think we did cover that. But yes, let us go quickly to the stuff that aligns us with Assad. But I'm going to expand more on who Assad is, what the season is about. But yeah, for now, next 5 days, it's new beginnings. Now I said that the intentions are on. I also want to do like a nice little thing. I bumped into something so great, so amazing that I'd want to share with you guys, maybe to help you in the resolutions you're going to make going forward now, right? So time to start those projects that you were hibernating and meditating about, our hibernation season. The stuff, the ideas that you've always had, now is the time to action, because even though today it's just a chilly day, but we know the weather manipulators too. But yeah, we've had our first rains already. The new year we've had Rona here, but my girl tells me it's their first rain today. But yeah, so season of Assad Mudimuntate Mvelinqangi, the first atom. So the color of the season is the color green. So that is why I am like this here. So it's the color green. So this is a time Lonabo spell makers, right? So if you're doing money spells, the energy and money spells, abundance spells. So the energy right now, so imagine past full moon. So the energy right now is supported so highly. So color green, and those who work with energy and those who work with color and vibrations and frequencies, they definitely know how the vibration the color green is definitely abundance and prosperity and wealth. So this is an opportune time and perfect time to do those spells that you'd want to do, or those manifestations, or it's a new life. Ra is pumping the hydrogen, yeah. So we're back to running mode as well. So that is the color, so you can use that, you can drape in that, you can use that, you can use it either in the color, in the candle color, if opatlang or rapelang ka dikerese. What else can you do? Yeah, I have a lot of green, like, right? I live on green. I definitely live on green. So I have a lot of green around you. Speak green, speak life, And then also, that is the color. Then the tree is an acacia tree. So Acacia. Yeah, that's it. Decolonized, so my pronunciations might be a bit off, but it's an acacia tree. And then the scent is cinnamon. And those who know, and also those who do spells and good lucks and whatnot, they definitely know for the cinnamon is also another herb or another spice that we use for manifesting stuff, for quickening things, for abundant spells, and so cinnamon is a lucky herb or lucky spice, or whatever category you want to put it in. And then the scent, the incense, a cypress. So if you can get either of those, scently, incense, yeah, they sort of join, right? How like the incense, sort of scent. But yeah, if you're able to get cypress, then definitely do that. And then the animals associated this season Assad is the rabbit or the hare, mutla, no kwaja, right? Yes, no kwaja. Yeah, so so you can have what I saw in another year. I had a friend, Natwara rabbit foot, and those who are into the old folk tales, but actually they sort of work, right? All these corny and all these things, and superstitions, or I guess for us, more superstitious people, and people believe in magic and good vibes and stuff like that. So yeah, so they would carry a rabbit foot. So rabbit foot is considered one of the lucky ornaments or charms, or one of those symbols. Yeah, so you don't need to have a rabbit by your msamo or wherever, or already rabbit, or eat rabbit. Please don't eat rabbits, that's so cute. But yeah, so those are the animals. So just go check lady characteristics, study rabbit, or hey, what are the natural characteristics, what are the strengths of this animal, and why do we resonate it to Assad. But remember, I'm gonna do episodes where we go onto the things that are aligning with the season ya rona. So I'm gonna break it down on that, because we're not gonna ropa any season. We're gonna try not to ropa any season, because please hang around, guys. Please do hang around if it's been a vibe for you guys. And then so that was, we covered the incense, we covered the tree, we covered the animal, we covered the color, we covered what else did we leave out? What else did I leave out? The stone. So the stone terona, it's a malachite stone. So I want to Acacia. So this stone, so it's a green stone, and then it's got like these little concentric circles. So if you've been, maybe go, okay, not a desert, that's extreme. But yeah, get a malachite stone. So this also works on the heart chakra as well. But this is a stone of abundance, so not just the citrine. So I got these cool things here on my malachite stone on a clear pot. But these are not real. So this is just for decorative purposes. But I'm gonna empower it somewhat. I'm gonna empower it. But yeah, so the natural stones with the natural energy from the elements and God and the earth and whatnot. It's a malachite stone. I hope you have Mona. I remember I did this with another episode and the stones are not visible. But yeah, it's a green stone. It's a great one if you wanna. So you can combine your citrine stone if you're doing money spells while using your malachite stone. But this is a very powerful stone. So this one by Testi Lefona. When I went to go get this one, so I have gang malachite stones, because remember I said I keep my stones everywhere just around me. And yeah, those are the things. I think we covered everything to do the season Assad, and I will catch you on the next episode where we're gonna go deeper into what the spring equinox is, what the African New Year is. But I did a little intro before go the sacred lands. But happy today, I'm getting my art. I'll catch you on the next episode where we're doing a review, and I'm gonna do my thank you episode finally. I'm getting my art. Happy today.